Yeah, that's it.
Okay, hi guys.
I'm going to make smoothie like banana and avocado smoothie, and I'll be using regular milk. You can use your preferred milk. Avocado supports heart health by raising good, how do you call it, like good cholesterol, and it aids digestion due to the high fiber content. Promote healthy skin and hair. Avocado support brain health as well, and it has healthy fats. So what about banana? Banana provides quick and sustained energy. I always eat banana before I go to the gym, and it supports muscles and nerves function. Banana also it aids digestion and can smooth the stomach. That's why I love most the people who struggle with digestion. So banana is the key. I'm adding my regular milk. You can use your preferred milk. For me, I like regular milk for smoothie, but I use oat milk for the tea. It's so good. It's so delicious. So milk has calcium for strong bones and teeth, has protein that helps build muscles, and it helps you to stay hydrated. It gives you like vitamin D for healthy bones. Unfortunately, I forgot to charge my blender, so
It's my fridge,
this
so
smoothie is going on real vacation.
actually I'm going to try it. I don't care,
And I will
so
finish
I'm going
it
to try
later.
it.
So
So
we'll
what I'm
pick
going
up
to do,
where we
my
left
food
off
is going
next
to be
time.
nice.
So
Okay.
I'll make sure it's charged. I had a zip, but oh no, it was a total fail because it wasn't blended yet.